Time is 6:46, and tennis great Arthur Ashe is remembered for many accomplishments in sports, many. But a major part of his legacy is living on in Brooklyn.
Our Tracie Strahan has the story in this morning's Positively Black.
News for New York presents Positively Black.
The late Arthur Ashe took the spotlight in the game of tennis, and he also put the spotlight on expanding the health of others before his death in 1993. For 25 years, the Arthur Ashe Institute for Urban Health has honored the late tennis star by working to expand health initiatives to minorities in New York City. Dr. Marilyn Fraser is the CEO of the Arthur Ashe Institute of Urban Health and joins us to talk all about it. He started this institute just a short time before his death. You've been with it for 17 years now. I'm sure you've seen some significant changes.
Oh yes, I have, and it has been wonderful over the years, and even thinking about the work that we've done and seeing how it has evolved over those years has been remarkable. And just it speaks to his legacy and speaks to what he really believed in. You know, he was a humanitarian, he was an activist, in addition to being a great tennis champion.
And it goes beyond people actually coming to you. You guys go into the neighborhood in some very unique ways, from approaching people at barber shops or taking their blood pressure at the beauty salon. Tell us a little bit about these initiatives for the community.
Oh yes, so we go out into the community, as you said, and meeting people where they are. We know that people congregate in beauty salons and barber shops. We know that men hang out in the barber shops, and women go to the salons. And the salons serve more than just a place to do your hair. It serves as a community place that you can come together and you can talk. The stylists talk about to us all the time about being therapists and more than stylists and counselors.
Right.
And so one of the things that we had started doing was to go out and do health promotion in beauty salons and in barbershops. And the stylists and barbers told us that a lot of the conversations started up and got more intense when we left. So they wanted to learn more about those.
Trust that goes on.
Exactly. And they wanted to learn more about those so that they can direct the conversations in the salons and barbershops. So we decided to train stylists. We developed curriculum to train stylists and barbers so that they can talk to their customers about their health.
What are some of the things that are being addressed? Because there are several things that affect minorities more than other populations. We're talking about things like diabetes, hypertension. What other things are you seeing?
So we've done work around cancer. That's how we started out, talking about breast cancer. In the salons, talking about prostate cancer. In the barbershops, we talk about HIV and AIDS. And as you mentioned, heart disease is really big. It's still the #1 killer. And so it's good to go out into the community and talk and raise awareness, but also link people to services, because it's not just good enough to tell them about it, but making sure that
to give them that access.
Yes, because there's so many access issues.
And to continue access, you have a big event going on in October, the sports ball that's been going on forever. We're talking about, what is it, black tie and tennis shoes?
Black tie and sneakers, yes. So that's October 18th, and it's at the Grand Hyatt in Manhattan. And so it's an event that raises funds for the programs that we do. In addition to our salon programs, we have a high school program for students that are interested in the health profession. So it does provide those funding.
And more help is needed.
More help is needed. More help is needed. We hope that our students would be the ones that will come back into the community and serve.
Dr. Marilyn Fraser from the Arthur Ashe Institute of Urban Health, thank you so much for being here. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.